today. My name is Carol Justin M. Lakinan, and I'm going to explain to you what is the Agile and Waterfall methodology, which is in Software Engineering 1. So the Waterfall and Agile models are two distinct approaches to software development, each with its own methodologies, strengths, and weaknesses. What is the Waterfall model? The Waterfall model is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. The typical phases include: first, requirement analysis, gathering all requirements. Second is system design, creating architectural and detailed design. 3. Implementation, coding and unit testing. 4th is integration and testing, verifying that components work together. 5th is deployment, releasing the software to users. 6th is maintenance, addressing bugs and making improvements. What is the strength of the Waterfall model? First is clear structure. Each phase is well defined, making it easier to manage and document. Second is predictability. Since requirements are set up front, timeliness and budgets are more predictable. Third is good for large projects. It works well for projects with well-defined scope and requirements. Fourth is easier to manage. Because everything is planned in advance, project management is more straightforward. Now, what are the weaknesses of the Waterfall model? First is inflexibility. Once a phase is completed, revisiting it is costly and time-consuming. Slow adaptation to changes. Requirements cannot easily be changed once development starts. Third is late testing. Errors are often discovered late in the process, increasing the cost of fixing them. Fourth is not ideal for our certain requirements. If customers' needs are unclear, these model strategies struggles to accommodate changes. Now let's proceed to Agile model. The Agile model is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. Agile follow principles from the Agile Manifesto, emphasizing collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. So the key Agile methodologies. First is Scrum, focuses on the short sprints 1 to 4 weeks with regular reviews. Second is Kanban, uses a visual board to track progress and workflow. Third is Extreme Programming or XP, prioritize high-quality coding and frequent testing.
So now I'm going to discuss the strengths of the Agile model. First, flexibility. Flexibility, Agile allows for changes and requirements throughout the project. Next, faster delivery. Frequent iterations means that working software is delivered faster. Third, customer collaboration. Continuous feedback ensures that the product meets users' expectations. Fourth, early bug detection. Continuous testing helps identify and fix bugs early in development. Last, better risk management. Since Agile adapts quickly, risk can be mitigated more effectively. So, these are the weaknesses of the Agile model. First, requires close collaboration. Agile teams need constant communication, which can be challenging. Next, difficult to predict cost and time. Because requirements involve budgeting and scheduling are harder to estimate. Third, not ideal for large-scale projects without clear structure. Managing large teams and projects can be chaotic if Agile is not implemented properly. And the last is dependency on skilled teams. Agile requires experienced developers and active customer participation. So, next, the comparison table waterfall versus Agile. So these are the future and waterfall model and Agile model. So first, approach. The waterfall approach is sequential structure, while the Agile model is iterative and flexible. Next, flexibility. The waterfall is low and the Agile model is high. Next, customer and the water model is minimal, mainly at the start. And the Agile model is continuous feedback and collaboration. Next, change management. The waterfall model is difficult and costly, while the Agile model is easily adaptable. Next, project size sustainability. Waterfall model works best for large, well-defined projects, while the Agile model is ideal for small to medium-sized evolving projects. Time to market. Waterfall model, longer, and the Agile model is faster. And second to the last, testing phase. The waterfall model is done after development is complete, while Agile model is continuous throughout the development. And the last one is risk management. Highly risk due to late stage testing. Agile model is lower risk due to frequent iterations. So those are the comparison table, the waterfall versus Agile. Conclusion. Use waterfall if the project has well-defined requirements, minimal expected changes, and clear timelines. Example, government or regulatory projects. Use Agile if the project requires continuous updates, user feedback, and rapid delivery of working features like app development, startup software, and evolving requirements. And that's all. Thank you.